everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 34. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I am extremely grateful to the honorable members who have spoken. In fact, it is very rare, as I said, that law made in 2013 has to be reviewed because it is an act with 470 section. Therefore, a lot of representation had started coming in the moment of this act was notified. There were some drafting oversight because it is a long act, plus some inconvenience were felt when the act was being implemented. We therefore held consultation with the all stakeholders and we were able to identify several points which required to be revisited. Some of those points were revisited by virtue of notification or even under rules. For example, one of the issues that my friend from the opposition has raised is with regard to a large number of private limited companies and the provision of very onerous nature being made applicable to them. Now, by virtue of a notification, it was possible to give private limited companies exemption from some of those provisions, and therefore those exemption notifications have been given and the pain of some of those provisions has been diluted by that particular process. Now, I was initially able to shortlist 14 amendments and then 2 more have been added after the bill was passed in the Lok Sabha. Provisions have to be brought in line with the international standards. Now, the question asked is why we are in a hurry. As rightly mentioned by some honorable members, people are finding it extremely inconvenient after this legislation to comply with all the provision, and therefore they are finding out device of not performing a company and going in for other device, including a limited liability partnership. People are thinking whether it will be a better option to do business rather than a company registered under this act itself. For example, you look at subsection 6 of section 2012. For some reason, we have to be careful of this whole process. About 4 years ago, even in the Custom Act, this provision was brought in. So, a provision for bail which was considered very onerous even for anti-terrorism law is brought in for violation of the Companies Act. So, it was earlier brought in under the Custom Act. When I had pointed it out to the then Honorable Finance Minister, he withdrew it being an onerous provision.